Wípé ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa fún tòní orúkọ tó mi padà Mọ̀bọ̀lọ́wọ́ Ayekooto náà ni èmi ń jẹ́. Bó tẹ́ ìgbà kọ́re tí ó ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ètò wa fún tòní abẹ́kẹ́ lọ́wọ́ subscribe orí YouTube channel wa bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kẹ́lẹ́ wa àtẹnusẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́lẹ́ jẹ́ náà kọ́kọ́ tí ó máa ra mọ́ ètò wa bí a bá ṣe mú wá fún yín ní ọlọ́kan ìjọ̀ka. Wọ́n gbàgbé láti share, láti like, láti fi comment yín ránṣẹ́ bí a bá ṣe máa ètò wa fún lónìí kí ni ohun tá a tún mú wá fún yín ẹ̀rí pé yàrá ọ̀tọ̀ ọlọ́tọ̀ ló ń tó wọn tọ̀ lórí Ayekooto òótọ́ òun náà ni àwa ń sọ torí pé the truth must be told. Lónìí kí làwọn tá a mú wá fún ẹ jẹ́ kájọ wá nǹkan fìdílé kájọ lọ wo fídíò eléyìí tí a tún mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ tòní. Mo ń bọ̀ mi ò tí ì dé.
Here in the application, safety application for bail, have been raised by the defendants severally in this court. And this court has made an order that all preliminary objections or issues shall be taken during the judgments. This court is bound by that order. However, the issue as regards to referral of questions to the Court of Appeal and the stay of proceedings the statutory law governing criminal procedure in Nigeria, to it, Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015, by Section 306 of that Act, which provides that an application for stay of proceedings in respect of criminal matters before court shall not be entertained. This statutory provision was initiated by the Court of Appeal in the case of Ayekooto versus Federal Republic of Nigeria. I must speak as to the essence, the reason for this statutory provision, that is Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act. The essence of this provision is to prevent inordinate delay through the filing of appeals while trial is going on. For this reason, the Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act have been provided that such application shall not be entertained. This court shall not entertain sale. As regards to the application seeking for bail, we have different types of bail applications. Bail application can be bail pending trial or bail pending appeal. I've looked at the application for bail. This application before this court does not fall within those two classes of application for bail. In this matter, as also stated by the defendant, that he has put in his defense. Hearing has been concluded. And also, by the order of this court, on the 27th day of October 2025, the court made an order that the defendant should negate putting his defense, or if he's not putting his defense, he should file address which shall be deemed to be final address. The defendant portion to that filed motion and comprehensive address. It is based on this that I hold that issues are renewed is highly unmeritorious. Same is hereby dismissed. Like I said earlier, all other issues have been raised through that motion and comprehensive final address that was deemed as final address, and another motion filed thereafter. This court, in the interest of justice, will not close its eyes to see. The court will determine all this issue in its judgments. I proceed, I deliver my judgment. Judgment, please.
My Lord, I have an objection. Final written address is a constitutionally mandated right which I must be granted. It is in the constitution of this very country that final written addresses, my Lord, must be granted. I have not waived it, my Lord, and I insist that I address this court on all these issues. My Lord, do not forget.
Defendants?
My Lord.
Consultants, can you tell your...
My Lord, I'm not, please, let me finish. It's my case. It is my case, my Lord, let me finish. My Lord, in this very court, Emeka Itiaba SAN was here, my Lord. Emeka Itiaba SAN said, at the right time we will contradict or controvert a piece of evidence. A piece of evidence given in this very court. I need to write my final written address, my Lord. I must.
Count charge which does.
My Lord, my Lord, I'm saying it clearly.
Defender.
I am entitled to final written address.
Defender.
What is my final written address? It's in the Constitution. My final written address.
Defendant.
My Lord, my final written address. Where is it?
Can you listen to the court?
I'm not, my Lord, please. Please.
Can you listen to the court?
Please, my Lord. I need to file my final written address. It's in the Constitution.
I appeal to you to compose yourself this temple of justice.
My Lord, you are biased. You are biased. This is not law. You are biased. It's not law.
Please, I beg you to compose yourself.
My Lord, this is not law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address.
I beg you to
Show me.
compose yourself.
Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down. Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution, show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after my...
No, my Lord, this is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him...
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me.
Excuse him.
Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me.
Excuse me.
Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial and I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on. May I inquire? This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me.
Well,
Show me. You cannot show me.
I'll come back.
You cannot show me.
Can you please?
You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me.
All right.
Wait, hold on. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know law, prefer to know about me. Show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. And you're a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You think I'm trying this with the illiterates and you try with me? Of your man. What's this one doing here? What are you 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 doing here? Ask me, what are you doing here? This is the idiot that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool. Don't touch me, don't push me. I'm going, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said, don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are remoting you. You are writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you waive it. Are you doing their job for them? God will punish you now and forever. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish.